Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Dodge Durango in neutral. First, we will cover the everyday method for shifting gears. Then, I will show you the easy emergency override, which is helpful if your vehicle loses power. Finally, we will discuss essential safety precautions to ensure you handle your vehicle responsibly. This guide will help you confidently manage your Durango's transmission. For the standard method, always make sure your Durango is fully stopped. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, simply move the gear selector. You will find the neutral position clearly marked on the console. This is the typical way to engage neutral for brief stops or when preparing for a tow, ensuring smooth operation and control. If your Durango's battery is dead or you cannot shift normally, there is an easy emergency override. Look for a small plastic cover near the base of your gear shifter. Gently pry it open with a small, flat tool. Inside, you will find a button. Press and hold this button down while simultaneously moving the shifter into the neutral position. This allows you to move the vehicle. Safety is paramount when using neutral. After shifting, always engage your parking brake to prevent unintended movement. Remember, a vehicle in neutral can roll freely, so never leave it unattended, especially on an incline. For the most accurate and detailed information specific to your model year, always refer to your Dodge Durango's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.